Hello students, in the previous video I had talked to you about calendars. Today in this video I am going to teach you about timelines. In the previous video I had talked to you about the Julian calendar, the Gregorian calendar and the Saka calendar. Today I am going to teach you about timeline. So first question will raise in your mind that what is a timeline? So here is the definition of timeline. Timelines are used to organize dates and information in the order in which they happen from beginning to end. It means on timeline we can organize dates and information in the sequential order or in a series from beginning to end. As you can see in the picture, from left side timeline started, that is beginning, in between its middle, the birth of Jesus Christ, and right side its end. Now your next topic is BC and AD. BC stands for before Christ. It means the number of years before the time of Jesus Christ. It means the number of years before the birth of Jesus Christ are counted as BC. And 0 year, as you can see in the middle, that is known as year 1. Some people use BCE instead. BCE means before common era and BC means before Christ. AD means Anno Domini. Understanding timeline. To avoid this problem, historians agree that imaginary year 0, that as you can see in the given timeline, refers to the birth of Jesus Christ, and as you can see left side always written in backward direction. As you can see 400 BC, 300 BC, 200 BC, 100 BC, then 0 year. And right side you can see AD means Anno Domini. Anno Domini means in the year of Lords. And AD always written in forward direction. As you can see right side 100 AD, 200 AD, 300 AD, 400 AD likewise. So years to the left are referred to as before Christ or BC, and years to the right side, years to the AD or Anno Domini, in the years of Lord. At the place of AD, some historians use CE, that means common era. One thing, student, that you have to keep in your mind always, that whenever you are counting years on timeline, BC always should be written to the left side, AD always should be written to the right side, in the middle there will be 0, that will be the year of Jesus Christ's birth. Hope you understood well. In the next video I will give you question answer and glossary of this lesson.